Welcome to this video. This is CAIE AS level Mathematics 9709 Component 11 May-June 2022 Pure Mathematics 1. So the first question, it is about completing the square. So x square minus 8x plus 11. So what am I going to do that? I am going to write x square minus 8x and plus 11. Then take half of this number. Half of this number is 4. Then add 16, 4 square, 16, subtract 16. So that this entire thing will become x minus 4 whole square minus 5. That's all. That's going to be the answer. In the next part, hence find the exact solutions of this one. Hence, so we have found it out. It is x minus 4 whole square minus 5 equals to 1. So x minus 4 whole square equals to 6. X minus 4 equals to plus minus square root of 6. So what is x value? 4 plus or minus square root of 6. That's going to be the answer. Next, question number 2. The 13th term of arithmetic progression. Whenever arithmetic progression, Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So 13th term is 12. So a plus 13 minus 1 times d equals to 12. So a plus 12d equals to 12. This is one equation. Sum to 30 terms as 30 equals to negative 15. For this, the formula is Sn equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So 30 upon 2, 2a plus 30 minus 1 times d equals to negative 15. 30 upon 2 is 15, 15 cancels. So I am left over with another equation, 2a plus 29d equals to negative 1. Now I solve these two equations, 2a plus 29d equals to negative 1. Multiply this equation with 2. So 2a plus 24d equals to 24. Now subtract these two equations. 5d equals to negative 25. So d equals to negative 5. So I got the value of d as negative 5. Now plug in this value of d in this equation. A plus 12 times of negative 5 equals to 12. A minus 60 equals to 12. A equals to 72. But what has been asked? Find the sum of the first 50 terms. He's been asking is S50. So S50 equals to 50 by 2, 2a plus 50 minus 1 times d. So this gives me negative 25, 25. Now next question, question number 3. The coefficient of x power 4. When can I get x power 4? Directly phi c2. If I do phi c2, I'll be getting coefficient of x power 4 because 5 minus 2 is 3, k square upon x whole to the power of 2. I can get it out, x power 4 in phi c2. Upon practice, you can directly write it out over there. So what will be the coefficient? Phi c2 times 2 power 3 times k power 2 square is nothing but 4 is equals to a. Phi c2 is 10, 8, k power 4 equals to a. So a is 80 k power 4. Whereas coefficient of x power 2 in this 2kx minus 1 whole to the power of 4. It will be 4c2 this time. Whole to the power of 2 minus 1 whole square. It can be 4 minus 2 times minus 1 whole square. Now the coefficient is 4c2 times 2k whole to the power of 2 times 1 equals to b. 4c2 is 6, 4k square times 1 equals to b. So b equals to 24k square. Next, given that a plus b equals to 216. What was a value? A value was 80 k power 4 plus b value is 24k square equals to 216. Then divide by 8. 10 times, 3 times, 27 times. So I will be getting it out 10k power 4 plus 8k 3k square minus 27 equals to 0. I am directly factorizing that 2k square minus 3, 5k square plus 9 equals to 0. This gives me 2k square minus 3 equals to 0, 5k square plus 9 equals to 0. K square equals to 3 upon 2, k square equals to minus 9 upon 5. So k equals to plus minus square root of 3 upon 2. And here it is not possible because square term cannot be negative. Prove this identity. Sine cube theta divided by sine theta minus 1 minus sine square theta by sine theta plus 1. Take the common denominator. A plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. Then cross multiplication, sine cube theta times sine theta plus 1 minus sine square theta times sine theta minus 1. Expand it out, it becomes sine power 4 theta plus sine cube theta minus sine cube theta plus sine square theta divided by minus common 1 minus sine square theta. Sine cube theta cancels. I am left over with sine power 4 theta plus sine square theta by minus cos square theta. Now I take sine square theta common, so it will be 1 more sine square theta plus 1 by minus cos square theta. Sine square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta. So minus tan square theta times 1 plus sine square theta. Hence solve. This part we got it as minus tan square theta times 1 plus sine square theta equals to tan square theta times 1 minus sine square theta. Tan square theta cancels. Whichever gets cancelled, that equals to 0. Tan theta equals to 0. So theta equals to 0 or pi. Tan 180 is also pi. Tan 180 is also 0. Then I am left over with minus 1 plus sine square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Minus 1 minus sine square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So what is that? This does not give any solution at all because this one was 1 plus sine square theta equals to 1 minus 1 minus sine square theta. This does not give any meaningful solution. So therefore, no solution. Now question number 5. The diagram shows the sector ABC of a circle with center A and radius R. The line BD is perpendicular. Given that theta is pi by 6, find the exact area of this region. So we have to find it out, area of the shaded region or BCD. Area of BCD will be equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of the sector formula is half r square theta. Area of a triangle is half AB sine C. So half r square theta is pi by 6 minus half AD AB sine pi by 6. So which will become pi r square upon 12 minus half times AD. We have to find it out the value of AD. How do I find the value of AD? Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cos pi by 6 equals to AD upon R. So AD equals to R times cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 R. AB is itself is R. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So what's going to be the final answer? Pi r square by 12 minus root 3 by 8 r square. Given instead that BD equals to root 3 by 2 r. So he gave that BD equals to root 3 by 2 r. He's asking exact perimeter of BCD. So first of all, I'll find angle BAC. So sine BAC is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is BD, hypotenuse is R, root 3 upon 2R upon R. RR gets cancels, root 3 by 2. Sine BAC equals to root 3 by 2. So BAC equals to sine inverse root 3 by 2, which is equals to pi by 3. Now perimeter is made up of three parts. BD is a line, DC is a line, and CB is the sector. Now I need to get BD. How do I get it out BD? Sine pi by 3 equals to BD upon R. So root 3 by 2 equals to BD upon R. So which gives me BD equals to R root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos pi by 3 equals to AD upon R. So R equal then AD equals to R by 2. If AD equals to R by 2, DC will be R minus R by 2, which is again R by 2. So root 3 by 2R plus R by 2 plus R theta. Theta is pi by 3. This is going to be the perimeter. Question number 6. The function is given, find f inverse of x. So x square minus 4 by x square plus 4 equals to y. Cross multiplication, x square minus 4 equals to x square y plus 4y. X square y minus x square equals to negative 4y negative 4. So take x square common, y minus 1 equals to minus 4 common, y plus 1. So x square equals to minus 4 times y plus 1 by y minus 1. Because of minus, it becomes plus 1 minus y. So what is x? X equals to square root of 4 times y plus 1 by 1 minus y plus minus. Therefore, f inverse of x equals to only plus I consider. I don't consider minus. Why I don't consider minus? Because x is greater than 2. Next, show that 1 minus this can be written as in that form. So 1 upon 1 minus 8 upon x square plus 4. Common denominator is x square plus 4. X square plus 4 minus 8. So it becomes x square minus 4 by x square plus 4. Hence find the range. We know that 1 minus something will be always 1 minus something will be always less than 1 and greater than 0. So therefore, always f of x should lie between 0 to 1. Explain why the composite function f of f is not possible. We know that these answers are always lies between 0 and 1. But we know that f of x is only possible for what? X is greater than 2. F of x is possible for greater than 2. So therefore, finally, no solution because it is always between 0 to 1. No possible solution. Question number 7. The curve and the line intersects. Find the coordinates of the points A and B. So, simultaneous equations. 3x minus 2 whole to the power of half equals to half x plus 1. Then squaring on both sides, 3x minus 2 equals to half x plus 1 whole square. So 3x minus 2 equals to 1 upon 4x square plus x plus 1. Bring all the terms on both sides, one side, and multiply by 4. X square minus 8x plus 12 equals to 0. So x minus 6 times x minus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to 6 or x equals to 2. But we know that y equals to half x plus 1. So plug in that x value over there. So y equals to half times 6 times plus 1, which is equals to 4. So the point is 6 comma 4. Y equals to half times 2 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So 2 comma 2. Hence find the area of the region between line and the curve. So integration 2 to 6, upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is this one, minus lower curve is half x plus 1 and dx. Now what will be the integral? 3x plus 2 whole to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 times 3 minus half x integral is nothing but half times x squared by 2 minus 1 integral is x from 2 to 6. Now plug in this one, it becomes 2 by 9, 3 times 6 plus 2 whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 times 6 square minus 6. Then minus 2 by 9 times 3 times 2 plus 2 whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 times 2 square minus 2. Simplify by calculator, you should be getting 4 by 9. Question number 8. Y equal to sin x is transformed into this. What are the steps? First start with sin x, then go to sin half x, then go to sin half x minus 30, then go to 4 sin half x minus 30. This is called stretch by scale factor to x direction. This is called translation by 30, 0. This is called again stretch by scale factor 4 y direction. Outside the number is y direction. Inside the number is x direction. Then hence find the exact solutions of this one. So 4 sine of half x minus 30 equals to 2 root 2. So sine of half x minus 30 equals to 2 root 2 by 4. Half x minus 30 equals to sine inverse of root 2 by 2, which is 45 degrees. So I will be getting it as half x minus 30 equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power of n times this angle is 45 degrees. So half x equals to n pi is 180 degrees plus minus 1 whole to the power of n times 45 plus 30. Then bring the 2 also to the other side, 180 plus minus 1 whole to the power of n times 90 plus 60. Then plug n equals to 0, so x equals to 2 times 0 times 180 plus minus 1 whole to the power of 0 plus 90 plus 60, which gives me 150. N equals to 1, so 2 times 1 times 180 plus minus 1 whole to the power of 1 times 90 plus 60, which gives me 330. So the answer is 150 degrees and 330 degrees. The equation of the circle x square plus 6x plus y square minus 2y equals to 26. half of this number is 6, 3. Add 3 square on both sides, 9. Then half of this number is 1. Add 1 square on both sides, 1. So this will become x plus 3 whole square and y minus 1 whole square equals to 36. So the center is negative 3 comma 1 and the radius is square root of 36, which is 6. Center is negative 3 comma 1 and radius is 6. Find the set of values for which this line will intersect. So what am I going to do? X square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y minus 26 equals to 0. X square plus y is kx minus 5 whole square plus 6x minus 2 times of kx minus 5 minus 26 equals to 0. So it becomes x square plus k square x square minus 10kx plus 25 plus 6x minus 2kx plus 10 minus 26 equals to 0. These two are x squared terms. Take common 1 plus k square. Then these three are x terms. Take x common. It becomes 6 minus 12k. Then these three are numbers. So it becomes plus 9 equals to 0. From there, compare A is k square plus 1, B is 6 minus 12k, and C is 9. He says that it is two distinct solutions. So B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. 6 minus 12k whole square minus 4 times k square plus 1 times 9 is greater than 0. So it becomes 36 minus 144k plus 144k square minus 36k square minus 36 is greater than 0. 108k square minus 144k is greater than 0. Divide by 36, 36 times 3, 36 times 4. So I get 3k square minus 4k is greater than 0. K common, 3k minus 4 is greater than 0. So k is greater than 4 upon 3 or k is less than 0. Question number 10. The equation of the curve is given stationary point. Determine the nature of the stationary point. So in the second derivative, I'll be plugging x equals to negative 1. If the second derivative is negative or positive, then it's going to be minimum. So just substitute negative 1 in the second derivative. I get a positive answer. It is minimum. Find the equation of the curve. So first, integrate to get dy by dx. So it becomes 6x cubed by 3 minus 4x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. So dy by dx equals to 2x cubed plus 2 upon x square plus c. Now we know that at stationary point, derivative will be equals to dy by dx will be equals to 0 at x equals to negative 1. So 0 equals to 2 times negative 1 whole cube plus 2 upon negative 1 whole square plus c. So 0 equals to negative 2 plus 2 plus c. C equals to 0. So which makes that c equals to 0. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx will become now 2x cube plus 2 of x to the power of negative 2. Now once again do the integral on both sides. So y equals to 2x to the power of 4 upon 4 plus 2x to the power of minus 2 upon minus 1 upon minus 1 plus d. Then from there I get y equals to 1 upon 2 x power 4 minus 2 upon x plus d. But it passes through the point negative 1 comma 9 by 2. So plug in that point. So negative 9 by 2, or else I start in a new page. So 9 by 2 equals to 1 upon 2 times negative 1 whole to the power of 4, negative 2 by negative 1 plus d. So 9 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 plus 2 plus d, which gives me d value as 2. So what is the equation of the curve? Y equals to 1 upon 2 x power 4 minus 2 upon x plus 2. Next, show that the curve has no other stationary points. So I take dy by dx equals to 2x cube plus 2 upon x square should be equals to 0. So 2x cube should be equals to minus 2 upon x square. So x power 5 equals to negative 1, x equals to fifth root of negative 1, which is negative 1. So only one solution. Then he is telling that the y coordinate is increasing at a rate of 5. So dy by dt equals to 5. Find the rate of increase of x coordinate. Dx upon dt equals to question mark, x equals to 1. So dy by dx equals to 2x cube plus 2 upon x square. Now bring the dx to the other side. Dy equals to 2x cube plus 2 upon x square dx. Then divide by dt on both sides. And this value is 5 equals to 2 times 1 cube plus 2 upon 1 square times dx upon dt. So 5 equals to 4 dx upon dt. So what is dx upon dt? 5 upon 4. That's going to be the answer. That completes that paper. See you in the next paper. Bye.